Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be rather like one for me. I'm going to be doing the one where I buy products because I saw beauty gurus use them. So I'm just going to put back my hair first. Right. Yeah. My tans fade. I'm so disappointed. Like, I put makeup on and then my tan fades. So, first of all, I'm going to put a primer on my face. So, my mirror is just right there, okay? So, don't worry about it. And the primer I'm going to be using is one that I saw James Charles use. I'm going to put it on. I love this primer. It's so good. It feels really good. Like, I use it to cover my pores and it covers my pores. Like, I tested it on my hand first of all when I bought this product. I was like, no, I test it on my hand first and see what it does. And oh my god, test it on my hand. It was a game changer. So, I normally do my eye makeup first, but I thought I'd do it last today. My skin is so soft using this. So soft, it's like filled in on my pores, which I like. Before I did anything though, I did like use a lip scrub, and the one that I used was Jeffree Star. I've tried so many lip scrubs, and the lip scrub that works really best for me is one by Jeffree Star. What do you think I'm going to get background anyway? I told you I wasn't finished with the background. I wasn't finished with it. But now I'm finished with that and I am loving it. So I'm going to use the foundation now. The foundation I saw use this was Holmes. And when she first put it on, I was like, what the hell? So I bought this straight away. I have done a first impression on it. I think I have. If I have, I'll link it down below. It doesn't have a pump. If you want a pump, MAC pumps really go for it. So this one is by XO Beauty and it's flat top face brush. I love XO Beauty products. So I'm just going to put it onto my skin. This foundation's a little bit darker for my foundation at the minute. For my skin at the minute. Oh well, we're all there. It's fine. I don't care. This is in the shade called Tanya as well. I did a video, the video that is a drunk, get on ready with me drunk. Holy crap. Now, just to let you know, that video is already up. I'll link it around here. That video is now up, but I edited it drunk as well. So when I was drunk, I was like, nah, edit it. It's fine. I just edit it drunk, and I then looked back on it. I uploaded it, looked back on it, I was like, what the hell have I done? Like, I should have edited it when I was sober, but you know, it was something that I wanted to do. Like, when you do, like, when I feel like when people do get ready with me, they don't kind of they edit it when they're sober, and I thought, no, I'm gonna do the balls and just edit it when I'm drunk. So yeah, if you want to do the tag, you go for it. Get ready with me drunk tag, you go for it. I will probably be calling it a tag. So next, I'm going to be using a Tarte Shape Tape. I heard this from Nikkie Tutorials, and I've got the shirt, so I'm just going to put this on my inner corner and go to town with it. It may look very right, but it's in a light medium. I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender. I don't have a beauty blender. I blend it out with a sponge or an Eco 2 sponge. I'm not quite sure which one. I might do the Eco 2 sponge because I love it. And you see, I've just put it all over where I need to conceal. I did buy the one in Fed. Oh, I love this stuff so much. I love the Eco 2 sponge. Look at the coverage. Love it so much. Oh my god. It covered up my dark circles. I have a thing of dark circles, so I don't like it. Oh, I'm going to be doing a video, which I would like you to kind of... I'm going to do the one that's going around lately, which is I follow a beauty gurus tutorial. Like, I'm going to do one, but I don't know which one to do. So let me know in the comments down below, or tag me in Twitter, or send me a Snapchat, or Instagram me, whatever you want. And which one would you like me to do? So now I'm going to powder my face. And the powder I'm going to use, I got this from Kathleen Lights, because for Kathleen Lights swears by this powder. It's the RCMA powder. I've never used it before, but I'm going to bake with it. It's very finely milled. Gonna let this cook onto my face at a minute. So my brows I'm going to be using, let me just get my brow brush. When I can't find my shit, I'm almost like, don't brush, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, don't have a heart attack, just breathe. So it is this, I'm using the XO Beauty eyebrow groomer. If you need an eyebrow groomer, go to XO Beauty. They are gorgeous. Now the palette I'm going to use is a one by Tanya Burr. Now Tanya Burr got me introduced by this one, and I absolutely love it. It's really good. I bought it because I needed an eye powder. So yeah, I'm going to do my brows now. Brows are on. So these brow products I got them from Shaaanxo. She uses these brow products so much. So I got the Gimme brow, which... And do the other side as well. One brow's always better than the other, so don't mind that. And I'm going to do it with the eyebrow setter that, you know, she uses as well. For now, we've let the brows bake. We've let this cook, so perfect. There we go. So yeah, my new setup, absolutely love. Oh my god, my skin feels so smooth as well. So the bronzer I'm going to use is where it's a Kiko bronzer, and I've only heard about Kiko from Zoella, and I thought to myself I'll give it a go, you know. A Exo Beauty brush, bronzer brush. Oh, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. It's so good though. I love this bronzer. It smells like chocolate. Now this is a contour thing that I'm going to be using. It is from NYX, and basically I got this one from Holmes as well. I've got this in the shade Light. So the big fan brush that I've heard from Makeup by Jack and Victoria's, where they use a big powder brush because they say it looks good. Holy shit, it's pigmented. Now I'm going to use some highlight, and this highlight, oh my god, I saw this highlight and Nikkie Tutorials got me onto this highlight. I've never used highlights by Ofra. This one is the one which actually has collab with Nikkie Tutorials. It's Nikkie Tutorials Everglow, and holy shit, so buttery. Let's put it on. Oh my god, I go mad with this. Oh, that glow, baby. Oh my god, that is some highlighter. Holy shit, that is really good. I only used the light one. Should have used the light one because I haven't used the light one yet. Now I'm gonna use some blush, and it's one I used on my wedding day, and I got it from Tanya Burr as well. Got it from Tanya Burr as well, and it's the Racy Rose in Revlon. I picked this up and I absolutely loved it. So Tanya Burr, you're getting a win here. Now I bring you a little bit closer. We're going to do the eyes, because we already done the eyebrows. We're going to do the eyes. Now the eyes I'm going to mix and match today. It's going to be done by two palettes that I absolutely love and do like using combined because they are so good. They are so good combined. So the two palettes I'm going to be using is one from Laura Lee. So Laura Lee got me hooked onto this product. I love this palette so much. And then the other palette is by Sophie X. So I love this as well. Shade all over the lid. I always use a white shade all over the lid. And this one's from Okie Dokie. This one is Okie Dokie Bomb Diggity. And put that into my crease. Bomb Diggity. I love it in my crease. My desk is a mess. If you saw what I live putting with, you'd be like, Charlene, that's a mess. So we need a bit of cooking into the crease as well. Like, this colour you need to build up. Like, you need to like work with it because some bright colour, like some very dark colours, are not very good to work with. I'm going to use a little touch of the red. And it's like an orangey red, and it's called Pumpkin. Put that on the crease as well. This might look a mess, but hopefully it does turn it the way I want it to turn it, you know. Hopefully you turn it like I wanted to turn it, bitch. It's really pretty as well. I love all these colours mixed together. Like, they're like really weird. It's a really weird transition shade. But you know, just working it. Just working it. It looks a little bit okay. It looks like, hey, what you doing, Charlene? And then I'm gonna get a pencil. I'm gonna get a brush and put out the other in this corner right here. In the outer corner. Ugh. Has a little bit of the fallout, but we are going to intensify this colour as well. And put it into the inner corner as well, and put it around as well. Like, it does have fallout. Look at that fallout. It's not good. Just brush it away and it's got better. I'm going to pat it on each corner. And kind of blend it. Oh, that's a bit. It's because I don't tap with the excess. Sometimes I don't tap with the excess. And then I'm going to wet my brush and put some purple on the. It looks okay. It looks a bit of a mess. But I'm going to go in with mixed berries. Hopefully this is going to... Oh, yes. Oh my god. Love this colour so much. Look. Holy crap. Never done this eyelid before. Oh my god. Holy crap, that looks a little bit beautiful. It looks okay. I'm not a big fan. I'm a big fan of the crease transition colour. But I'm a fan of this purple. This purple is everything. And then need another colour, which is going to be a pop of pink. Like a pop of pink. And I'm going to use a Festive Flame. This looks like a really nice pink. In the middle. In the middle. Oh, well, like so. Don't worry, once the lashes are on, this will look fine. If you're like, Charlene, what are you doing? So that's what I've got for that eye. It looks very nice. I'm going to take a little bit more of that shimmery colour and pop in the eye and just bring it around like so. Bring it around. It's very different. I don't really do this. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and I've done my lashes, my mascara and my eyeliner. So I'm going to show you what I did do. So the eyeliner I did, my waterline I did with this Essence. The reason why I didn't include it is because no one told me about this. I figured this out for myself. I did the MUA Extreme Eyeliner. I got this by myself, so no one did that. So that's why I didn't include them. My eyelashes, the person who persuaded me to get them was Shaaanxo herself because they are actually her brand. And I have got the Soulmates on, which I really love. Then my roller lash is the one and truly only one, Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star got me into this. He did I don't think it's up anymore or it's sold out, but he had his face on Benefit's roller lash because he wears this non-stop. It is his holy grail. It is my holy grail. So yeah, thank you Jeffree for that. Now for the lip. So the one I'm going to do is a bright bold colour, which what YouTuber made me get this? Nikkie Tutorials. Who else? This is in the colour Spell. It is a bright one to do. So I'm going to put this on my lips. Oh my god. It smells incredible. I need to, she does say you need to finesse it in to your lips. And then the last is a setting spray, which I thingied with, which actually Sophie does nails, did this for me again. So I need to shake it and it's... So this is what I came up with the ones that beauty gurus like urged me to buy. Like, I don't know about you, but I had a funny feeling that I was going to do this video, but it was going to not go to plan. I mean, if I do like this will still be up, but The makeup looks really nice. I love what I've done with like it's like a halo eye. Like I love that. That looks pretty. The eyes look gorgeous. I've never been like done like bright eyes. I'm glad I did. Like when I first put it on I was like, oh my god, this is not going to work out, but it did. But yeah, I absolutely love the eye look. I'm going to bring it closer for it though. Eyelashes are fucking phenomenal. Love them so much. I love them so much. The lips, I think it goes really well with this makeup look. Like a very purpley pinky lip. The eye with them. So guys, I do hope that you enjoy this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Press the notifications bell as well. And which beauty guru would you like me to follow for my next video to do my makeup? I will see you guys soon. Bye!